Hi, this tutorial is about how to fix big headers. Okay, we have a report and we have a lot of columns. And the problem we have now is that the column headers are so big. There is a bunch of columns with lots of text on it. So you can see now that it doesn't fit on one page, and it looks very bad indeed. And what we're going to do in this tutorial is to make it fit on one page. So how is the trick? The first thing you need to do is try to change the page orientation. This is very easy. If you run your report on PDF format, it can be done, but in this case it's not enough. I mean, even if you switch to landscape, it still looks very bad. So what should you do now? What you should do now is instead of leave the whole text, try to make abbreviations. In this case, it's going to be just the year or the quarter. So for each column, we are going to change the header, so it's going to be only quarters or years. And later, we're going to group the headers, of course. Okay, now we finish. I think this is the last one. Okay, so we have only quarters and years on the header. So now we run our report again, and it should fit. Okay, here it is. It fits very well in one page. Okay, so now what we're going to do is select the list, the whole list, and change the way it displays the headers. The column titles should be at the start of details, and you should create a header. Now you have one row at the beginning of the list where you can put more text. So you remove the default text, you select the row, and you split for cells. And you can see now you have one row and you have all the cells aligned with the second row, which left us room for more text. Okay. Now we're going to drag and drop all the columns to make it sense, because they are already very dispersed. Now we're going to group all the sales, now the contributions, and at last all the growths. Okay, so that's it. Now we select the cell and we're going to put some text on it. We have to unlock first, and now we type sales, and now we merge the sales for every column we have. In this case, you just have to do the opposite. Instead of split, you just merge, and you just select the format which will be center for the text. And we should do the same with contribution and with growth. It's very easy actually. Even if you format this report and then you export to PDF, you will look very, very nice. And if you do to Excel format, it would look very well indeed. So we're done almost. We just need to merge this one and select the right format for the cell. Okay. Now we can see again our report. Now it looks very well. Now what happens with the first row? If you can see, the format is not as good as the second one. That's because we need to select another style. We're going to select the same style we have on the second row. So we look for in the Cognos styles. We select it, and now it looks better, even better than what it was. And that's it. That's a trick. Now I'm not cheating, so if we can run the report again with different page orientation, with the original, which was portrait, and it should fill also. Okay, there you are, and that's the trick. Thanks for watching.